My name is Christoph from CBR Technology. We're located in Southern California and have been in business since 1988. As such, we have several decades of experience, starting in the 80s and 90s with distribution wholesale organizations, and have transitioned primarily into manufacturing organizations in the last 15 years. In addition to that, in the last 10 years, we've worked with a number of construction organizations as well, and as such have a very broad experience of implementing solutions into these specific industries. Our entire team has formal background in accounting and finance rather than IT. In addition, we hold a number of certifications from Microsoft in Business Central specifically. Microsoft offers a number of certifications in a number of different areas, but I would suggest that your partner should be certified to deploy Business Central specifically. In addition to that, our deep financial insights coupled with our technical expertise allow us to deploy Business Central successfully for your organization. As you're probably aware, Business Central has the ability to be customized in a programming environment called AL. AL offers a unique option of being version independent, and Microsoft can update even your customizations in the regular, minor, and major upgrade cycle as part of your subscription. Our in-house development team is AL certified to develop solutions for Business Central, and as such, we have the ability to respond to your requirements quickly and accurately. Proven implementation methodology is quite critical as well. Our methodology has been tested and proven to be effective for many years. Comprehensive guidance, step-by-step instructions, on-site and off-site training sessions are critical to be provided for your team during the deployment of Business Central. Continuous improvements through annual Microsoft partner conferences ensure that your team will always be aware of the very latest updates and upgrades that Microsoft makes available. Training, scalability, and security measures are also quite critical to be deployed and configured correctly for your Business Central implementation. We offer training with a number of customized programs for all business sizes. In addition, we have scalability, solutions designed to grow with your organization. Security configurations, especially surrounding multi-factor authentication that Microsoft now offers, is critically important to be deployed correctly for your organization. Finally, this is not just a software implementation. You are choosing a partner to work with for many years to come to assist you with ongoing challenges that your company may be faced with. These could include other implementation-related issues such as e-commerce implementations, EDI integrations, or a number of third-party integrations that you might choose to engage with over the next couple of years with Business Central. CBR Technology is here to assist you in this process. Finally, it's up to you to contact us to get this process started. Please feel free to visit our website at cbrtechnology.com or by calling 855-227-0700. I'm looking forward to hearing from you so that we may get started on your Business Central implementation project. Take care.